Okay, we're going to fill this cornice up the top here. There's been some bees in the house, so we're going to fill it up with plaster. It's had some like foam put in there already, but still bees are getting into the house. So we're also going to fill those ventilators up as well with cornice cement. That's what we'll be doing. So we'll get the corner cement. I'm just going to push it in and fill it up. And it's called straight stopping this. And hopefully this will stop the bees coming in. This was popular in the 1970s, this shadow line cornice. It's not really that successful because it lets dust in, and sometimes if the ceiling's not 100% straight, you'll get a variation in shadow. Also it leaves a little gap, it goes up to the ceiling. You're supposed to keep the sheets hard to the wall with shadow line cornice, but it's hard to do that exactly, so you are going to get some gaps. It was very popular with the architects in the 1970s, this cornice, and wasn't easy to do either, a lot of extra work. And continue filling all this cornice up. There's 2 rooms to do, and fill the vents up too. Check for any other holes in the house also, maybe around the light fitting. This section is filled up along here. Scraping it off at the moment, the excess cornice cement. The vent is coated on it. When I finish that, I'll give it a light brush with a wet brush. Using the small tool here to do the work. Okay, it's taking shape now. And we'll do the whole room. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue around the corner here, and there. There's no foam put here because it was internal, but they may have been coming through the roof. Also, if this cornice, the shadow can go on the wall also. That's of interest. And just continue filling it up. A crack here, so we'll fill it up and we'll pin it back into place for the nail. And pushing it right in behind. A little gap so it won't crack. Put some under it as well. Pin that back into place with a nail. I'll let that set a bit and cut it back into shape, and should be fine. Down there. It's set in place now. I've just got to shape that up a bit now. This part's sitting back in the wall. This part's a bit out from the wall. Shape that up. Yeah, I think it even looks better filled up the top. The old shadow along the top. So. Give it a join. It's sort of taking shape here. Try and get a bit flat. Not too bad, it's nearly there. Right, that's pretty close. I'll get the sand back for a rough bit of paper. It's about 80 grit. Maybe it's, no, sorry, maybe 40. About a bottom member. Brush, and it's pretty close to done now. Down here. Polish this vents up a little bit. The shadow gets it off the shadow line with the foam. Yeah, so pull another vent up. Put that cornice up there. Pull around there the gap. And scrape it off and keep at it. Finish this room. Quite a deep hole up there. That's what it goes for shadow line cornices. Very popular in the 70s with the architects. But there's been a bit of a failure. The dust and insects and uneven gaps. There's a gap there, there. Hard to get the gap even all the way around. All the shadow. That. like that. Ventilator up here today. Okay. That's pretty close to finished the room, a bit more touching up. And this last room, here to do, and 3 rooms. And have a vent to patch up there too. Very big gap up there, foam's been put up. That's a very big hole there. And would have been huge before that foam was put in there. Yeah, small over there. It'll take quite a bit of corner cement like that. Yeah. That vent under there's on, so the house will be big.
It's good to make a pretty stiff mix when you've got the big holes to fill, so it'll sit in there and goes off probably a bit more evenly too if you mix it up a bit. It does make it set quicker though. About like that. For the big holes is pretty good. Use the gyprock. Very good corner cement.
Yeah, that big hole filled up. Yeah, another thing that shadow line cornice would be doing would be letting the heat go up in the ceiling as well when the dust come down. And if there's fiberglass insulation, that'd be also able to come down as well. Was not a successful idea, the shadow line. I think that doing it now is maybe with metal angles to get that shadow. I'm not sure. I imagine the same thing would be happening there too. There's a corner that's patched up right there, up cracks, bees and insects getting in.